Hello students, welcome to all in maths lecture. Today onwards we are going to start our this new book Amity University Press Standard 3. So let's we start from our first unit number and numeration. So see here some vocabulary that mean hard words are here. HOWMANY how many, COUNT count, NUMBERNAMES number names, MORETHAN more than, UNITS units, SKIP skip, LESSTHAN less than, GREATER greater, SMALLER smaller, ascending ASCENDING between, BETWEEN TENS tens, HUNDREDS hundreds, THOUSANDS thousand, DESCENDING descending. Now let's we move. I hope you all know the number names. For example, if I write here 3, 8. So what is your answer? Answer is THIRTY 30 EIGHT 38. Next, if I take here 117. I hope you all know that this is your ones value, this is your tens value, and this is your hundred value. You already learned these all things in second standard. So what is your answer here? Answer is 100. 100 no spelling HUNDRED 100. 17 that means SEVENTEEN 17, right? Now if I took here 3, 2, 4, that means this is your ones, tens and hundred. So in 100 plus 3 is here. So what's your answer? Answer is 300. 3 HUNDRED 300, and this is a 24. So answer is TWENTY 20 FOUR 24, right? Now let's we go in our textbook. Here you can see. Do you remember what we have learnt about the numbers in books 2? Let us revise together to refresh our memories. So let's we start our exercise 1.1. A exercise, write the numerals for the given number names. Okay, you have to write the numerals for this given number name. So what is the first question? First is the 48. So your answer is 48. That means 4, 8, 48. Right? Second one is the 217. What you have to write here? In 100 plus 2 is here. So your answer is 217. That means 1717. Right? Next one is the 639. So your answer is 639. Okay. 97. Only 2 digits. That means 97. That means 9797. Next one is the 390. So what's your answer? 390. That means 90. Okay. Then 843. In 100 plus 8 is there. So 843. Okay. Next one is the 105. So 105, that means 105. Okay now? Then 556. So what's your answer? 556. Okay. Now the reverse method. Write the number names for the given numerals. That means this is the numerals. For that you have to write number names. So first one is the 5, 6, 56. So your number name is FIFTY 50 and 56. Okay. Then next one is the 971. So your answer is NINE. Second value is 971. That means this is your ones, this is your tens, this is your 100. So in 100 place 9 is there. So what's your answer? 9 NINE 9. 100 HUNDRED 100. 71, that means SEVENTY 70 ONE, right? Now next value is 628. So your answer is SIX 6 HUNDRED 600. 28 TWENTY 28 EIGHT. Next value is 136. So answer is ONE 100 HUNDRED 100. 36 THIRTY 30 SIX. Next value is the 85. So EIGHTY 80 FIVE. Then 486. So FOUR 400 HUNDRED 100. 86 EIGHTY 80 SIX 6. So this is our first page 1.1. You have to write in a textbook as well as in a notebook. Okay. Let's move to our C exercise. Write the numerals. First of all, clear these things. If there is a 6 hundreds HUNDRED as plus 3 tens plus 1 ones. So at that time, what is your main value? If you want to do these things, 6 hundreds, that means what is your answer? 600, right? Then in between plus sign is there, do here plus sign. 3 tens, that means 30. Plus 1 ones, that means you have to keep here only 1. Now do the addition of these three things. 600 plus 30, that means 630. 630 plus do the 1, then your answer is 631. So what is your answer? 631, right? Let's we take our second example. If 4 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 8 ones. At that time, what is your answer? 400s, that means you have to write here 400. 0 tens, that means your answer is the 0. And 8 ones, that means your answer is the 8. Now do the addition of this three value. 400 plus 0, that means 400. 400 plus 8, that means your answer is 408. Right? So what is your answer? 408. I hope now you all are clear about these things. Now let's remove our textbook exercise. 8 tens, that means 80 plus 9 ones, that means 9. 80 plus 9, that means your answer is 89. Okay. Next value 500. So 500, that means 500. 4 tens, that means 4040. 6 ones, that means 6. Now do the addition. 500 plus 40, 540. 540 plus 6, that means your answer is 546. Like that, this answer is 372. Next answer is 198. Then next answer is 915. Next answer is 737. And next 295. In next 583. Then 171. Then 836. I hope you all are clear about this exercise. Now let's move to our next exercise. D number. Expand the numerals correctly. If they give us 438, that means this is your ones place, this is your tens place, and this is your hundred place, right? So in a blank hundreds. So what is your hundred place? Hundred place is a 4. So you have to write here 4. In a tens place, 3 is here. So you have to write here 3. In a ones place, 8 is here. So you have to write here 8. Okay. In a 543 means this is your hundred place, this is your tens place, this is your ones place. So 500, that means you have to keep here 5. In a tens place a 4, and in a ones place a 3. I hope you are now understood these things. Let's move to our textbooks exercise. D exercise. 287, that means in a 100 place 2 is here, so you have to write here 2. In a tens place you have to write here 8, and in a ones place you have to write here 7. I hope you all are understood these things. Now 521. So 5 is in a 100 place, 2 in a tens place, and 1 in a 1 place. 760, that means 7 in a 100 place, 6 in a tens place, and 0 in a ones place. 633, that means 6 in a 100 place, 3 in a tens place, and 3 in a ones place. 405, that means 4 in a 100 place, 0 in a tens place, and 5 in a ones place. I hope you are clear these things. Now move to our exercise E. What comes before the given numerals? So 5050 before, your answer is 5050 before, answer is 49. 620 before, 619. 88 before, 87. 555 before, 554. 740 before, 739. 33 before, 32. 435 before, 434. 856 before, 855. 100 before, 99. 900 before, 899. Okay students, now our next exercise. What comes after the given numerals? 79 after 80. 849 after 850. 999 after, your answer is 1000. 324 after 325. 169 after 170. 239 after 240. 404 after 405. 611 after 612. 4 0 40 after 4 1 41. 570 after 571. Okay, so these all are these after numbers. Before going to our next exercise, let's we understand some concepts. This is your greater than sign. Which sign? This is your greater than sign. GREATER, greater than, THAN. This is your less than sign. Which one? Less than. And this is your equal to sign. Which sign is this? Equal to. Okay. That means if any value is there like a 59 and 63. So 59 is the big or 63 is the big? I know. You know the answer. So 63 is the big value. So in here this sign will come. That means 59 is less and 63 is greater. So 63 is greater than the 59. Okay. If they will give us 121 and here is the 235. You have to compare this both value. Here first we check the 100 value. In a 100 place 1 is here and in this place 2 is here. So 1 is a big or 2 is a big? That means 2 is a big. So this is your big value 235. So 235 is the greater than 121. So this is your answer. Okay, like that. If 320 is here and here 149 is, so what is your answer? Compare the first 100 plus. 3 is here, here 1 is here. So what is the big value? 3 or a 1? Big value is a 3. So what's your answer? In a big side you have to keep this open mouth. Okay now? So 320 is greater than 149. Okay students, if 50 50 and here also 50 50, so both value are equal. So what is your answer? Answer is equal sign. Okay students, now let's we move to our textbooks exercise. Filling the blocks is by using a less than, greater than or equal to. Here you can compare this both value 411, 411. So both are equal. So what's your answer? Equal to. Second one is the 273, 280. First compare our 100 value 2, 2. Both are equal. Now move to our next value 7, 8. Which one is the big? 7 or 8? 8 is the big. So your open mouth is this side, 8 side. Okay. Here 529, 592. 5, 5. First compare our 100 value. Then compare our tens value. So in a tens place here 2 is and here 9. So 2 is a big or 9 is a big? Answer is 9 is a big. So keep your mouth this side open. I hope you all are understand. 599, 400. So first compare our 100 value. Here 5 and here 4. So which is the big value? 4 or a 5? 5 is the big value. So keep your open mouth this side. Now 655, 705. So 6 is 100 plus in a 6 and here 7. So 6 is the big or 7 is the big? Answer is 7 is the big. So keep your open mouth this side. Here 923, 923. Both are the equal value. So keep this sign equal to. Then 325, 373. Compare the 100 digit. Both are equal. Then move to our tens place. Here 2 and here 7. So which one is the big? 2 or a 7? Answer is 7 is the big. So keep your mouth open this side. 687, 678. So 100 place is equal, but tens place 8 and here 7. So which one is the big? 8 is the big. So keep your mouth open this side. 222, 232. So tens value here 2 is here 3 is here. So which one is the big? 3 is the big. So keep your mouth open this side. I hope you understand this exercise.